Shane here with RVs of America. We are installing a winter package on this HQ17. Michael is down there with a drill. Here is the 2 water tanks that go into the rear. We've wrapped all of the tanks with an insulation. That's how they are normally. Nothing. And here they are afterwards. There's a heat pads inside there. You can see the electrical wire coming out on the outside. And down under, oh, you gotta check this out. I'll show you. I'm gonna go underneath here, show you what we've done with the lines. Now I am. So here are the lines. This freshwater tank is already installed.
I live under here.
Yes, lately, for the last week. He's been living under there. So this tank has already been put up. Has the wrapping, the heat element on the tank. But you can see all the lines have, what's the R value on these, you think?
8 to 10.
8 to 10 R value. Wrapped completely. There's so we wrap the lines with like 3 R value tapes, and then a tubing, and then we taped over it to hold it all in place. But I think it looks great. All the lines going through there, across, up. Most RVs that we see, all they do is they'll get a very thin insulation, similar, and then they'll usually put some self-tapping screws from there over, and then they'll put that thin insulation in there. They don't even wrap the lines. Very rarely do they put even heating elements on the tank. And if they do, they don't usually wrap them in this insulation. What they usually do is put this insulation just up inside, and then they put a corrugated plastic thing that covers it, and inside this is what's, you have the plastic, then this. Sometimes they'll get a thicker insulation, but typically they're not wrapping the lines. They're not putting insulation actually on the tanks themselves, and definitely not doing heating pads on them. So this is a 26-gallon tank. That's a 26-gallon tank, and they have heating pads on each one of them that are rated for up to 55 gallons, or 50 gallons, I think. So that's 100 gallons worth of heating elements on pretty much 50 gallons worth of fluid right there. And we have a 50-gallon one on the drinking tank, which is only a 16-gallon freshwater tank. So I think the heating elements are overkill. And usually if you get a heated tank, it's just exposed. Like this one over here, I'll see, you can see the heating element on it. I'll see some of these RV manufacturers, they just put the heating pad on it, but nothing. They do nothing else to the tank. They just leave it exposed like that. I haven't wrapped that one yet. I will be wrapping it. And so they'll put maybe a heating pad on it. Then they'll put this all underneath the whole thing, and then they'll put this plastic to cover it and hold it up, and then they screw it in. So I think this 4 Seasons package will probably be more robust than almost any other 4 Season package out there. And here are the switches. Sorry, it's kind of dark in here. Here's the switches. If you can see brightness. It's nighttime. It's like 11 p.m. at the office, and we have to get this ready to go tomorrow, so working late. So anyway, just wanted to share a quick video on that. That's our latest and greatest project. The walls have, I'm running a blank. Like I said, it's almost midnight. I think it's R16 in the walls, R16 in the roof, dual pane windows. Once you have all the lines wrapped and the insulation, So you can see all these lines wrapped in the insulation on the tanks with heating elements. I think we're going to be pretty good to go. So those are actually, that's like the drains or the fill holes, fill lines. Lots of places don't even do the fill lines. This is the actual water line you can see in there, and it's been wrapped 2 or 3 times, then with that main insulation over it. So pretty cool. We'll see. We'll try to go out and do a test, go take it up to some freezing temperatures and see how long it takes to freeze over or something. Stay tuned for that video. Subscribe. RVs of America. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call. Go to our website. It's www.rvsofamerica.com. Thanks for watching.